welcome back to our channel. This is Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review this Pilot 17G model fountain pen. We have two different colors. One is black, another one is red. And we have different two nib size. One is fine, another one is medium. We are going to see which is writing very smooth. Before reviewing this Pilot pen, we need to know the history of the Pilot, right? We'll see that now. In 1916, Namiki expanded the product line and became a full-fledged manufacturer of writing instruments. The Pilot Pen Corporation was founded by Ryosuke Namiki with Masao Wada in 1918 under the name of Namiki Manufacturing Company. From 1916 till now, they are a huge fan of the Pilot pens and they have a huge audience for the Pilot fountain pens and rollerball pens and it's more. So now we'll see the review of our Pilot pen. Construction of the pen, the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Now look at this color. Just amazing. This Pilot brand have some type of audience. Okay, this overall body is made up of plastic and this cap is an aluminium. And see here they have mentioned Pilot in a tiny words and end of this cap, end of this clip. In the top it's a rounded finial. They have mentioned Japan. This color combination is gold and then red. In the bottom it's a flat round finial. You can see here there is no design. It's a plain flat round. Okay. Now we'll do construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this pen. So that we are using this vernier scale. And the length is 133.24 mm. Now we'll remove the cap and then we'll check the length. It's 122.80 mm. Now we'll check the diameter. And this diameter is 8.63 mm. Sorry, 8.64 mm. Now we'll check the thread type diameter. It's 9.85 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight of this pen. It's a lightweight pen. We'll check that now. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this pen. Wow, it's a very light pen and it carries 10 gram. Now we are going to remove the cap and check the weight. It's just 5 gram and this cap carries 5 gram. Okay, nice. The same way, this is also a same, this is medium nib and this is a fine nib. We'll check this too. And this is also same 10 gram. Now we are going to unscrew the cap and check this. The same way, it's also 5 gram and this cap carries 5 gram. Though it's a fine nib and medium nib, but that's not a difference. The body, overall body weight, everything is the same. Okay, now we'll move on to the video. Okay, now we saw this overall weight and length. It's very light pen and it's a user friendly pen, so we can easily take and travel wherever you want. Now we'll look at this clip. Okay, this is also a user friendly clip. So we can easily insert this in a pocket or diary or wherever you want. It's just amazing. See here. Now we look into this pen. This is a snap-on cap. This overall body is in a same plastic material and in the same red color. Okay, this grip section you can see here. This is a larger grip section and there is a thread type design in this grip section. And they have mentioned Pilot M, that's a medium. In this they have mentioned Pilot F, that's a fine nib. I'll show you that now. Keep this here. The same way they have mentioned Pilot and the top finial. They have mentioned Japan. And this is also same thread type, you can see here. This both the pen weight is the same weight and the same length. Everything is the same. Only the different is one is fine and another one is medium. This is fine and this is medium. And this nib is a gold nib. You can see here in the nib they have mentioned a Pilot Super Quality Japan medium. In this Pilot Super Quality Japan fine. Wow, nice. Now we'll see what type of ink system is this. This is a eyedropper model, so we can easily fill the ink using refiller, and we can use different colors at the same time. Okay. And the same wise, it's a steel nib. It's a plastic. This is a plastic nib. You can see here all the Pilot feed will have the same design, same as in this. Now I'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Pilot 17G model fountain pen. We are going to test both the pen. For that we are going to use our manufactured ink. So we are going to dip the ink and then we are going to write. First we are going to try this fine pen. Now we'll do the partition so that we can easily identify which pen is which. And first we'll write penhouse.in, and this is violet color ink. Okay, now the same thing, we are going to dip the ink in this medium nib. The same penhouse.in manufactured ink. You want to purchase, kindly link in the description. The same thing, we are going to write penhouse.in, and then it's violet color ink. Now I'll do the rubbing test. Before that, we'll write the brand name. It's Pilot 17G medium nib and fine nib. Okay. Both the pen are very smooth and the grip section is not slippery. You can see here. We'll do the partition for same the thing, both the pens, so that you can easily identify which is thin and which is thick. There's not difference actually. Both the pen is very smooth. In fine nib alone we can find some tiny part areas, we can find that roughness. Other than that, it's very smooth when comparing to medium nib. Medium nib is little bit thicker than this fine nib as usual, but it's not a plenty of difference. It's a tiny part of difference we can see here. And we'll do the smoothness test now. Wow, you can see here. While writing again and again, that smoothness will go off. The same thing we are going to do in this medium nib, and it's very smooth. Now do the horizontal line and vertical line. You can see here, one is fine nib and another one is medium nib. You can see the waves here. It's very smooth. We can't find which is which pen writing because they both are very same. Now we did the writing sample. It's very smooth, this medium nib and the fine nib. In some tiny areas we can feel the roughness of this fine nib. While writing again and again, that roughness won't be up here. Other than that, both the products are very cool, and this in the affordable prices. If you want to purchase these types of fountain pens, especially this Pilot 17G model, link in the description. Kindly contact us and purchase your order. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Tata, bye bye.